SL Grand Edition. I don't like how this is shaking. Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here, speaking from the bottom of my throat right now. Yeah, I got a little cold going on, but believe it or not, it's like 62 degrees here in the last part of January, and I am surrounded by all kinds of friends. Yep, all kinds, all shapes, all colors, all models. You know where I am. This is Copart in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're gonna have some fun today checking out some of the cool cars and trucks. And we're gonna start with something because for some reason, we're all mad here. I don't know why. Yeah, here she is, 2017 Mini Cooper in the 4-door version. Yeah, I love this car. This is nice, and I think somebody who was really fun owned it, okay? They spent some time at a good surf shop that I've been to, and it's not even here in Oklahoma. We did have a little bit of a bump on the front, okay? So we do have a little bit of repair that needs to happen. I don't think it's too extensive. I haven't even opened this stuff up yet, but I love the red and the white and the stripes, and for some reason, there you go. Do you hear the car do it with me? Yeah, I love the grill on these things. They just look like fun little cars. Anyway, these kind of have a varied past. I don't know if you love them or you hate them. If you have experience with the Mini Cooper, let me know what you think about them. This one seems to be in pretty good condition. Here you go. Ron John's Surf Shop. They're all over Florida. Cocoa Beach, Pensacola, everywhere. They're a lot of fun. I have some glasses from there. No damage to, well, there's a couple of scratches right here. I wouldn't even really worry about that. The interior looks pretty nice too. As far as wheels and tires, yeah, we got 4 Michelin with some, I guess there's some good amount of tread on there. Look at the back. Look at the nice interior here. Okay, it's kind of dirty up front. We'll show you what's going on. But that's because people get in and out of these things here at the yard. And you can do that. You can come out and take a look at the cars that you're interested in. Every yard is run by a general manager, and they kind of set the rules. And so you follow the rules. You come out on the day that you can. Sometimes you have an escort. Sometimes you don't need an escort. And you get to check out these cars and trucks and everything else. And you get to have some fun like I am. So let's jump in the driver's seat and see what she sounds like. You know, it seems very small from the outside, but once you sit down, they're kind of roomy. They really are. I don't know what happened here. This is dirt and all kinds of schmutz all over here. We do have a start and stop that's illuminated. Yeah, she's gonna run good. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, she's talking to us. She's saying all kinds of things to us. Okay, we have the door open. We know that. What kind of error messages? Is that it? We have a check engine light. This is a little dirty. That's just because someone who's been poking around out here got inside. Washer fluid is low. Okay, that's all right. Let's see if I can get past this somehow. I don't know what this is for. You do have the little triangle right there. This is a cute little car. This really, really is. And I like how they have this right here that kind of controls this right there. Engine sounds okay. I mean, these aren't the smoothest engines ever. But let's just kind of get underneath the hood and see what's going on. We got the front and the back open. We have a little bit of gas left. This is cool. Look at your gas gauge. That's a nice little touch. Here we go. Yeah, she's running a little bit rough. You have to have all kinds of special tools if you get one of these because everything is so packed into here. It makes doing some simple things kind of complicated. I don't like how this is shaking. Look at this, twin turbo power. That's nice to know. I don't really see a whole lot of coolant in here. So maybe in the accident we damaged the coolant bottle or the radiator, probably, because this is smashed right here. That looks like it's going to be your radiator. So let's go ahead and turn it off. We don't want to damage anything. What a cute car, though. How cute. $88,316 miles. We got 52 miles of range left. Is there even a temperature gauge? I don't see that anywhere. Yeah, let's turn it off. That's okay. We'll save the engine. I like that sound. That's kind of cool. Just a good little detail. That's all she needs on the inside. Yeah, that's all. You get a little bitty boot area. You get some floor mats. You get a fog lamp cover, steering wheel cover. That's about it. So there's a little room for some luggage as you're heading down to Florida to go to the Ron John Surf Shop. This is the battle of the little cars. Okay, this is very similar to the Mini Cooper. Pretty much the same reputation, maybe even a little bit worse, but same idea. Fun in a little bitty car. Okay, I love the color of these. I love how they have the top half of the seats one color and the bottom half of the seats another color. Damage, as you saw on the front, your bumper is inside, so they were kind enough to take it off and put it inside. That's the only damage that I see out here. Look at the little bitty tailpipe. That's teeny tiny. Okay, there's a couple of dings. There's nothing to protect your side here. And this is what I'm talking about, how they have the top half of the seat different colors, so as you're looking at it from the outside, it looks nice. Here's your bumper, which may be salvageable. I think that would be fine. Okay, it is dirty. Okay, it is really dirty in here. So let me just see if I can kind of push that back a little bit. Here we go. Okay, we seem to have power. Let's just kind of see what's going to happen to her. What's wrong? Come on, little girl. There's a definite smell in here. She doesn't want to start. Let's try it in neutral. No. She doesn't want to do anything. I mean, there is power. We got all kinds of power. But she just doesn't want to try. Well, shoot. Mileage, 85,160. So I think that's kind of comparable to that one. Just like the other one. Plastic everywhere. These are teeny tiny cars. What do you think about the Fiat 500? In green, it's kind of cool. It really is kind of cool. Left front door open. Yes, we know that. Tire pressure, monitoring, unavailable. Hill start, unavailable. See handbook. Escape. ESC, unavailable. Okay, well, shoot. I thought this was... Here we go. Oh, she wanted to try. She wanted to try? Come on, little girl. You can do it. You know you want to. Here we go. Ugh, that doesn't sound very good. One more time. I think there's an engine problem. I don't think that's just a low battery. I think it's kind of getting caught on one of the cylinders. Come on. Yeah, she doesn't even want to try anymore. That's kind of weird. Let's just see. What's going on? Oh, well, we can't because this is... Yeah, I can't. This is closed. When they have it closed shut like that, I can't open the hood. So we're just going to have to walk away very quietly. Looks like Steven was happy with it. It's kind of a smiley face on there, but because this, maybe the radiator is damaged too. I don't know, but so long, Fiat. All right, we just supersized this whole video right here. 2020 Mercedes SL550. This is the Grand Edition right here. What a beautiful color. I love these wheels, these AMG wheels, as you can see right there. Whoa, Continental tires. There's a little bit of tread left on the back of this. The back is perfect. What a nice color this is. We do have a lot of damage to the front though, which kind of makes me worry, but look at the grille. Look at that. Look how gorgeous that is. All these little diamond insert looking things. There's your camera or your speed sensor or something. I'm sure there's sensors behind here as well. So she got hit in the right eye and the fender. I don't think it's going to be, well, we'll have to look, okay? Does this even open? Okay, so this does open. It kind of stays open for us. This is your fender. Okay, well, it just got way expensive because here's your arm coming out from the body, and it took a little turn, and then it got punched in. This is your ABS system right here. So you will definitely need a bumper, a headlight, you need a fender, obviously a hood right there, and you need to get this thing fixed. Yeah, this does, I don't know what this is made out of. This is cool though. And whatever is punched up right in through here. Yeah, this is very expensive. And maybe even some of the wiring has been broken. Wow, here's where they hide your washer fluid, which is great. A lot of Mercedes hide it there, BMW hide it there. This was a beautiful car though. It was gorgeous. Just wait till we see the inside. The stitching on the seats is incredible. And here it is. Look at this. Woo, baby. Oh my gosh. SL Grand Edition. Look at how nice everything is in here. I got to jump inside this. We're going in. Ugh. So someone has removed the back. Oh, well, okay. Here's a lot of parts for you. Yeah. More of your, there's part of your light. So your light is here. Your weather stripping is here. I hope it hasn't scratched the seat. We'll try to push that down there because you don't want to, this seat is going to be so expensive. So that might be a little better. We'll kind of put this right here. There we go. Now we're protecting everything. Look at how nice this is. Oh, and I love steering wheels like this. I love that. I really, really do. So we don't have any power. There's nothing that we can do. I just really wanted to show you what it's like in here. You got this huge roof, which nicely closes for you. This is Alcantara, I'm guessing, right here, that is stitched. Leather that is stitched here. And just a beautiful flat wood right there. Not real shiny. I love this. And look at your little bitty, teeny tiny gear shift. Ooh, I'm getting dirty. Look at this. Wow. Okay, so how much will this go for? I don't know. This is going to be expensive. 2020 Mercedes SL550. It's got lots of damage though. Mileage, I don't know. But she was a beautiful car back in the day. Woo. Well, I look good driving an SL Mercedes. I know that. Everybody looks good driving an SL Mercedes. Yeah. It increases your likability factor. Or does it? Or does it make it go down? I don't know. You let me know what you think about that. I'm sorry, I've got this horrible cold thing going on. I can barely talk. I can barely think. The old body is just not doing very well, so we're going to power through some more videos out here. We do have a big thank you to everyone at Copart for letting me come out here and walk around and start these cars and see what they're like and show them off. So thank you to everybody at the front office. They are super nice here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I love working with them, and you will too if you're looking for a car or a truck or an SUV or something. They have everything, absolutely everything you could ever want out here. And once again, you don't have to be a dealer. You can sign up, buy a car, you can get it delivered right to your door, and you can start a YouTube channel. Probably do better than my YouTube channel that I built for like 3 years. Ah! Yeah, and if you do, good luck to you. I'll probably subscribe. All right, everybody, have a great day. If you have not subscribed, please do so, and we'll see you again in the next video very, very soon. All right? Hug those kids if you got them. Bye.